Myself, Tonmoy Borman. Basically, I am from West Bengal, Falakata, and I completed my 10 plus 12 from basic public school. And after to completing my graduation, I went to Kolkata and complete my graduation in computer science engineering from Techno India University, Salt Lake, Kolkata. And after that, to achieve more knowledge in Monstack development, I came to Jspiders, Basavanagudi, Bangalore, and I pursue with the Monstack development. I complete my Monstack development. After that, I got placed a company named Chingari, and Jspiders Basavanagudi is a good platform to increase your knowledge and job opportunities also. After college, it is a good platform and option for freshers. In Basavanagudi branch, trainers are good, but some of them are excellent with their technical skills. And especially, I want to mention Sayed sir and HR ma'ams are also very helpful, and they always listen to us and our problems and try to help with you. Thank you.